Write down all the steps needed for the initial setup for connecting to a SQLite database. This is basically a review of how to set up our SQLite database, how to set up our database connectivity. The first step is to find out the NuGet package for your database, and we are going to integrate SQLite. So we will search on the internet the location of the SQLite package, and from there I have copied this command, and this command can now be executed to add packages for SQLite. The next step is to add a model class. At least one model class should be there. So we will add it. I'll show you also all the steps in a moment. Then we have to inherit from a DB context. We have to inherit a context class from DB context, and there we will use this model class, so its presence is required. And after this, finally we will add service for DB context to our startup to our program.cs class, and we will mention the connection string. These are the steps that you will need, but usually as a developer we do all these steps once and keep a project saved somewhere, and we copy paste that project and start doing from there directly. But as a new learner you will need all these steps, so I have listed them. Now let us execute them one by one to see how we make this connectivity in practice. I will be typing each and every step, so this video will be a bit long also. So this is a basic project that I have created, an empty project, whatever is given to me by my Visual Studio. I have used Visual Studio 2022, and you can use any